If you're tired and struggling with pricing on Amazon, this video is for you. Hi, this is Sakib from Ecomclips. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to set up perfect prices, fix those frustrating pricing errors, and even upload all your prices in bulk quickly and easily. Getting all your pricing right is the key of selling your products. If your price is too high, people might buy from others. If it's too low, you won't make enough profit. So you need a smart pricing strategy to find the perfect balance. If you are a new seller on Amazon and you are about to launch your new products, then you need to forget about your profit for first couple of weeks. I'll tell you why. When you launch new products, you won't have reviews or rating yet. These are really important for sellers because they help build trust. Meanwhile, your competitors already have reviews and ratings on their listings. Let's say you launch coffee mugs and you set the price for $20 just like your competitors. But since they already have ratings and review on their listings, buyer will choose their product instead of yours. In such a scenario, it is wise to keep your price lower than your competitors. In Ecomclips, we follow a pricing plan during your product launch. Let's say our target price is $20. We want to sell our product at this price. The first thing we'll do is create an 8-week plan to gradually reach that price. Let me explain how it works. In the first week, we will list our product at 50% below of the target price, which is $20. So that means we will sell it for $10. But make sure you don't go below your break-even price. In the second week, we'll raise the price to 40% below the target price. This process will continue, increasing the price by 5 to 10 each week. By 8 week, we will reach the target price of $20. You can take note of the plan and follow it. Now, you might wonder why we are lowering the price. The truth is, we are not lowering it permanently. We are just gradually increasing to build momentum and reach our target price while attracting buyers in the early week. Okay, I think now you got it right. Now let's quickly walk through some other pricing strategies. This strategy is all about staying flexible with market. You need to be flexible about your pricing and have to continuously adjust prices in the real time based on things like supply, demand, competitor prices, and customer behavior. If you notice that your top competitors are lowering their prices, you should consider lowering your prices too to remain competitive. On the other hand, if they're rising their prices, you might also increase your price but try to stay just 50 cents or $1 below them to keep an edge. There are tools available that help you track your products and see how your competitors are adjusting their prices. One of them is Helium 10. You can use its Market Tracker and Market Tracker 360. These tools help you monitor your competitors and specific product categories, allowing you to see how prices are changing in real time. With competitive and dynamic pricing, you are constantly keeping an eye on your competitors and adjusting your prices based on their movements. Hey, if you need expert help with this, don't worry, we have got you covered. At Ecomclips, with over 12 years of experience, we specialized in helping you monitor your competitors, manage pricing, and conduct in-depth market research. Our team of experts is dedicated to scaling up your business on Amazon, ensuring you stay ahead of the competitors. For personalized support, feel free to contact us at info@ecomclips.com. We're here to help your business grow. Next pricing strategy is bundling or multi-pack pricing. This means you group similar products together and sell them as a set, or offer a multi-pack of the same item. For example, instead of selling one coffee mug, you can sell a set of 4. Bundling or multi-packs can attract customers who want more value of their money, and it helps you increase your average order size. On Amazon, this strategy can also help your product stand out from single item listings and encourage more sales. I hope you got this. Alright, now you applied pricing strategies to stand out competition. But sometimes you can see a notification like this one on Amazon that you have a pricing error. Amazon might deactivate your listing because of high pricing. Actually, Amazon has a default safety function called potential pricing error that is designed to deactivate your listing if your price is too high or too low. Let me show you how you can fix this real quick. Let's move with high pricing error. So this is the Seller Central. From here you have to go to the Manage Inventory page. And have you find the price alert option? Click on that. Now we can see all the products that has pricing issues. So fix a pricing issue, we have to set a minimum price and then a standard price and the maximum price. After that, just click on save and Amazon will update the listing within 15 minutes. And that's it. Yes, is that simple, isn't it? Now for the lower pricing error, we have to do the exact same thing we did it to fix the high pricing error, like setting up the minimum price, standard price, maximum price, and then save it. You already got this. So Amazon has strict pricing policies. If any of the policies you break, Amazon might deactivate your listing. Some of the policies regarding business prices, maximum and minimum prices, list price, map price, and hidden price. We have a video explaining the subject. You can see it in the I button. Also, I'll give you the link in the description below. So check this out. However, I already showed you how you can fix the pricing issues in a minute. There is another interesting thing which you can update your pricing real quick by using template. How we are going to do this? Let's check this out. We're in Seller Central right now. From the menu, go to the catalog and click on Add Product via Upload. Now, click on Download a Spreadsheet. From here, you can clearly see update price and quantity. We need to click this. Now, these are preferences of our marketplaces. The first one is America and we are clicking on this. Now, template is downloaded. Let's open it. So, this is the template. We are in instruction tab right now. Here you can find out necessary instructions. And this is the data definition tab. In here, you will find the explanation about SKU, price, quantity, etc. However, this is the template where we should put our data to update the prices and quantity. For that, we need SKUs and prices that are going to change. So, put the SKU here and prices in this column. And in the fulfillment column, we update it as default. And we input the handling time in this column. Now save the file and upload it in this page. Click on upload your spreadsheet. Now simply upload the file here and click on submit product. So okay, this is the process. Easy, right? I think you got it. Well, that's wrap up this video. I hope you find this video helpful. If so, like, share and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one. Till then, you can hone your business skill. So how? Go check our YouTube videos and YouTube channel. We have tons of e-commerce related informative and educative videos so that you can scale up your skills. So that's all from our end. See you in the next video. Peace.